Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session, let us discuss an overview about the OET reading subtest. Now, as you all know, the reading subtest also has three sections or three parts in it, that is part A, part B and part C. And you will be provided with a total number of 42 questions, and the total time limit would be 60 minutes. And also the topics which you would receive would be related to things of general healthcare interest and medicine. Now talking about part A. Part A is referred to as the expeditious reading task. And in this case, the student is expected to locate specific pieces of information. And also this is a time-bound task because you're expected to solve 20 MCQs within 15 minutes of time. Therefore, you need to be very focused whenever you're appearing for the part A. And you may receive questions which are related to matching the following or maybe sentence completion and also short answer questions. So you can receive a wide variety of questions in part A. Again, remember that it's a time-bound task. Talking about part B and C, they are referred to as careful reading task. And again, in this particular case, the examiner assesses the student's ability in order to find out the gist or in order to understand the gist or essence of the thing which is being conveyed through the reading extracts. So you need to have a broad idea about whatever information is provided to you. So that was just a short overview of what all you can expect in part A, B as well as C of your OET reading subtest. And I hope it was useful and informative